Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and I'm here to give you a recap on Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2022. So I'm going to talk to you about the value of this box. Within the value, I'm going to talk about two different topics. One is the experience value and one is the monetary value. So let's start with the monetary value. The overall cost of this box was $180. Which was $20 more than last year. This also included shipping. So all in, it was $180. I ended up putting the total value of the cost of the items at $330, which is $150 over the cost of the actual box. I think that's fantastic. And for those number gurus out there were 37 items in this box. That breaks down to $8.92 per item or $13.20 per day. Excellent monetary value in my opinion. We ended up getting 6 patterns. There were 3 small businesses supported. There were 10 items that were branded, but they were done subtly. For example, the pouch that we got are Missouri Star Quilt Company's colors. So it is branded in a way, but not really, and it's not in your face like we saw last year with a lot of the items. There were only 2 that I can think of that were blatantly branded, and one was the ornament, which is on the tree behind me, and the tray that we got for our final gift. Other than that, it was just a very subtle way of branding, which I really appreciated and I loved. It's a company. Of course, they're going to have branded items out there, but for me, it didn't scream Missouri Star Quilt Company, but you still kind of knew that it was a Missouri Star Quilt Company thing. We ended up getting 6 tools. We got 6 things that had to do with organization. We got 2 charm packs and a total of 2 yards of fabric. So overall, we had just a wonderful variety of items in this box. And yes, I absolutely think the monetary value is there. So if you're thinking about getting this box and that is very important to you, I would absolutely say give it a try because I think it will be worth it in the end. So let's move on to the experience value. So the value of opening an item each day, which for me is the best. That's what gets me really excited. I love grab bags. I love anything like that, any surprise like that. That's my personality. It might not be for everybody. Some people I know have said that they'd rather spend the money on something they know about. I totally understand that. There's people in my life exactly like that. And no judgment here. But for me, that experience is so much fun of just opening up a surprise. So first off, that was wonderful. The next thing is just talking to all of you, having those conversations in the comments. I loved it. Although I love the surprises and I love the conversations and I love making the videos, there was something else that really brought a lot of value to this box for me, and that was making all of the items. I committed at the beginning of the month to making every item that there was a project or a pattern or whatever for, and I ended up making things that I never in a million years would have made on my own. One of them is probably my favorite thing from the box, and it's this pillow. I love this pillow. It was so much fun and it came together so cool. I love this pillow. This is one of my favorite projects. Another project that I made that really challenged myself was the Mini Quilt. Those tiny pieces, oh my goodness, they were so small. And lastly, the embroidery projects. There were 2 of them. The one I wasn't as fond of, which was the keychains and the jewelry and all that stuff, but it still gave me that opportunity to learn something, which was wonderful. And then there's the trees, which I probably would have never picked up that kit and made it, and I'm so glad I did. They turned out so cute. I love them. So there were a lot of experiences within this box. If you do choose to get this box, embrace the projects. Don't just put the patterns in a drawer. Don't just put the fabric away. Actually make something with them, because I think it did add another layer or another level to this whole experience, at least for me. So overall, do I think this box was worth it? Absolutely. The monetary value I believe was there, and I believe the experience value of the surprises and all of that was there as well. It was so much fun to make all of these projects, and it was so much fun to share it with all of you. So moving forward in 2023, I have lots of videos coming up, including my planner review and some projects, and of course those lessons from an old quilt. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.